Tristation, a freestanding hand sanitizer station for use in high traffic areas. It can be used outside or inside due to its powder coated system. In this video I'm going to show you how to put together the Tristation from delivery to use. So as it would arrive, there are sort of 4 or 5 main components, one of which is the actual unit, the Tristation itself. Second is the back plate. Third is the security screwdriver. And fourth, whether it comes from us or you decide to buy somewhere else, the actual hand sanitizer itself. First of all, remove the safety screwdriver from the packaging and undo the 2 screws on the side, here and here. As you'll see, I haven't fully removed the screw, it's just enough to loosen the back plate. So now you've loosened the 2 screws, it's now time to fit the hand sanitizer to the station itself. Now the Tristation takes 5 litres of hand sanitizer, which is the equivalent to 5,000 applications. Firstly, remove the pump from the unit itself, slide the rubber O-ring off and slot into the hole here. Now what I've found is the easiest way to fit this is to smear a small amount of fairy liquid or soap. You can actually use the hand sanitizer itself, but I wouldn't waste too much of it. Just rub around the shaft itself and slot straight back in, and you'll find that it's much easier now that it's wet and lubricated to slot straight into the shaft itself. Undo the bottle, place onto the shelf, slot the tube into the bottle. Now there is a thread on here, so it screws directly onto the bottle. And now it's securely fitted onto the hand station. Unscrew the top of the pump, it just pops straight up like that. Now what I would do is it takes a few pumps to come out, and now the hand sanitizer is ready to come out and ready to be used by everybody. So now you're ready to fit the back plate and complete assembly. There's no front or back to the sides of these, there's just an up and down. The top of them are curved and the bottom are flat. So with the locating areas, lift this up, slot straight into there, and just slide all the way down to the bottom. Pick up the security screwdriver and screw the screws back in as far as they go. And now assembly is complete and ready for use. They come in a range of colours depending on your own branding, and they can have your logos added to them as and when required.